Good afternoon. My name is Cass Casper. I'm an attorney representing the plaintiffs in the Amanda Watska, Brooke LeCount, Grace Williams versus Board of Education of Oconto Falls Public School District case. 1 week ago today, we filed this case, and I'm speaking on it today to give you an update about what has occurred since then. We've had an outpouring of support and outreach from the community about the allegations in this case. As a result of that, we've had, so far, 6 additional students come forward and report to us allegations of teacher-student sexual abuse, grooming, or in one instance, student-to-student sexual assault that was not properly handled by the district. In addition, and critically, we've had now 2 former teachers come forward and provide sworn declarations to our firm stating in summary that they reported teacher sexual abuse and sexual harassment by a particular teacher directly to the school board in 2015. Both of these teachers, Tanya Jersey and Bridget Thomas, submitted sworn declarations to us outlining what they reported, what they saw, and how the board reacted. In summary, the board did not take their reports seriously, and they gave a promotion to the man that Tanya and Bridget were reporting sexually harassed them and other teachers and was sexting with another student. Tanya and Bridget's evidence is critical because here we have not just students reporting sexual abuse and grooming, we have 2 teachers in 2015 making reports about a particular teacher to the highest school authority, the school board. And what does that highest authority do with this information? Not only do they do nothing, they promote that abuser. Tanya Jersey left employment shortly after that, and Bridget Thomas had her contract not renewed shortly after that. All of this additional information from these 2 additional women who have stepped forward as plaintiffs, Kayla Casper and Brianna Kane, as well as the other 4 students, as well as the 2 teachers I just referenced, add to this picture of a school district that had created an environment where sexual abuse was allowed to flourish and nothing was being done to prevent it. Investigation into this is ongoing. I'm speaking today because we are calling specifically for more evidence, more information from the members of the public about what happened in Oconto Falls School District over the past 20 years. What we've uncovered so far is alarming. We must get to the truth of this. We're asking for your assistance. I know there's been some reticence in the community about providing assistance, and my message is the time is now. If we are going to correct this problem, if we're going to get at the truth of what happened, we need everyone to step forward now. It is all hands on deck, folks. Please reach out to us so we can interview you and find out what your information is. Our number for this is 414-368-0083. Again, 414-368-0083. Any information from members of the public about what happened in Oconto Falls Public School District in the last 20 years is useful in our investigation. I want to thank everyone who has come forward so far and express our deep appreciation on behalf of these plaintiffs and these children about the information we've received so far. Please contact us if you have further information. Again, 414-368-0083. Beyond that, in addition, as part of this case, the plaintiffs have been working on a draft piece of proposed legislation. This is to be called the Wisconsin Student Bill of Rights. And this proposed piece of legislation covers basically what happened in this case. And it creates a Bill of Rights for students that must be vindicated in every district and that is enforceable. This proposed legislation would create a new section in the Wisconsin statutes to protect public school students from sexual grooming, harassment, and abuse by school employees, and it would help to eliminate institutional cultures of deliberate indifference that enabled abuse to go unaddressed. This bill establishes 8 enumerated student rights, including the right to a safe learning environment, prompt investigation of misconduct reports, protection from retaliation, removal from contact with accused employees, supportive measures for students who report sex abuse of any variety. In addition, it imposes additional mandatory obligations on school boards to document these kinds of reports, to investigate these kinds of reports. And it creates additional reporting and enforcement measures. This bill we intend to submit to legislators in Wisconsin, and we're asking for their help and support in passing this so that what we have been uncovering at this particular school district, we can ensure it doesn't happen elsewhere. Thank you very much.